beautiful dear friends, and welcome to another part of Mohabbati reaction. And before we start, you know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. As always, appreciate your support. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into part 3. Yeah, be careful running in this rain. Oh no, is that the principal? I knew it. It's judgment time. God, you can't read his face, really.
नाम क्या है आपका?
जी विक्रम सर।
आप गुरुकुल के नियमों से तो परिचित हैं ना?
He never really takes the time to know the students. I mean, he can't know or see all of them or remember all of their faces, I know, but yeah.
आपकी इस लापरवाही की वजह क्या है?
जी मैं
विकी
Shahrukh to the rescue.
अरे विकी, तुम स्टेशन टाइम पर पहुंच गए थे ना?
Such a great support system for them. Each time
बहुत देर
standing up for them.
आपको भी जाकर सो जाना चाहिए, वरना कल शायद पहली बार सूर्य आपसे पहले उठ जाएगा।
कुछ स्टूडेंट्स लगातार गेट के बाहर जा रहे हैं और वक्त पे वापस नहीं आ रहे हैं। मैं उन्हें और बाकी सबको ये बता देना चाहता हूं कि गुरुकुल के नियमों को तोड़ना किसी भी कीमत पर बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जाएगा।
Yeah, it's obvious.
तो आज के बाद गुरुकुल का गेट हर वक्त बंद रहेगा।
Well, they broke it before.
इस वजह से बाहर नहीं जाएगा। अगर कोई बाहर जाता हुआ या बाहर से आता हुआ पकड़ा गया तो वो उसी वक्त निकाल दिया जाएगा। मैं एक बार फिर दोहराता हूं।
I do believe it. He would do it.
आपको मुस्कुराते हुए देखकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मिस्टर शंकर।
Yeah, right.
ये हवाएं देख रहे हैं आप? ये गुरुकुल की हवा है मिस्टर आर्यन, जो सदियों से पूरब से चलती आ रही है। कुछ दिन पहले इन हवाओं ने अपना रुख बदलकर पश्चिम से बहना शुरू कर दिया था।
Wow.
लेकिन आज फिर से
Talking in
पहले
metaphors.
की तरह ये पूरब से बह रही हैं।
Yeah, you wish.
हाँ, पहले जैसा सब कुछ पूरा हो चुका है मिस्टर।
I don't think so. That's the calm before the storm.
बधाई हो मिस्टर शंकर, यहाँ की हवाएं भी आपसे डरती।
शायद इनको भी मालूम है कि आपको परिवर्तन पसंद नहीं। आपके डर की ताकत का इससे बड़ा सबूत और क्या हो सकता है?
लेकिन एक बात जान लीजिए मिस्टर आर्यन कि मोहब्बत और डर की जंग में जीत हमेशा डर की।
I disagree.
No, मिस्टर शंकर।
That's not true.
मोहब्बत की ताकत तो आपने अभी देखी ही नहीं। मोहब्बत अगर चाहे
तो इस एक पत्ते के सहारे आपकी इमारत की हर एक ईंट को हिलाकर रख दे।
ऐसी ताकत को तुम्हें देखना चाहूंगा मिस्टर आर्यन।
Oh, I think you will.
आज 14 फरवरी है, वैलेंटाइंस डे, यानी मोहब्बत का दिन।
आज के दिन मैं तुमको एक छोटी सी प्रेम कहानी सुनाने वाला हूं। ये कहानी एक लड़के की है, एक लड़की की है और एक पत्ते की। ये कहानी आप ही के जैसे गुरुकुल के एक स्टूडेंट की है। बस फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि उसे मोहब्बत हो गई।
Yeah, the same uniform. Oh, that's even better. That's more romantic than just a regular paper. Oh, come on, that's so not the time. Oh, he missed the first impression. Oh, she didn't get on the bus. Okay? You expect that with Shah Rukh Khan, who's famous. Oh, it breaks my heart.
आप उसके बारे में इतना कैसे जानते हैं सर?
Put one and one together, or two and two together.
मैं उसके बारे में इतना कैसे जानता हूँ?
Does he really need to answer that? Guys. Oh. Okay, I think we know now why they use the leaves, the fall leaves, as a transition. And it's so beautiful. Of course, he kept it all this time. Of course.
Happy Valentine's Day, Megha. Happy Valentine's Day.
Breaks my heart.
और वो सच ये है मिस्टर राजगिर कि मैं तुमसे दीवाना हूं।
Well, I'm not so sure about her reaction. Okay, that's better.
क्योंकि तुम एक जिद्दी, घमंडी और बिगड़ी हुई लड़की
Okay.
और इस जिद्दी लड़की के पीछे एक आम
Oh.
रहती है।
I love that
हर रात
he knows her well too.
प्रेम कहानियां पढ़ती है।
That's when I believe that it is true love, because when you truly love someone, you take the effort to really know them.
मेरी स्टूपिड सी, भोली सी इश्क रहती है।
Oh, I love that. He's talking about her with such affection, like my Ishka. Okay, that was a heartfelt confession. And an honest one as well. Yay! Yay. I guess she's changing. I mean, love does that to you.
से चले जाओ करण, हमेशा हमेशा के लिए।
पर क्यों? मुझसे ऐसी क्या गलती हो गई?
तुमसे कोई गलती नहीं हुई है करण। तुम तो मेरी जिंदगी में फिर से खुशी लाए, संगीत लाए, मुझे अपनी दोस्ती दी।
She's still not good. I think she's in denial.
पर इन सब के साथ साथ तुम वो सपने भी ले आए जिन्हें मैंने अपने दिल के एक छोटे
Because
कोने में
she
कर
for
रखा था।
sure got it. But she's in denial.
दोस्ती का एक उसूल है किरण, एक बार जो हाथ बढ़ा दिया फिर उसे जिंदगी भर वापस नहीं लेते।
प्लीज
Oh my god. DDLJ flashback. Not exactly, but it's the same look. The same unyielding anger.
तुम क्या कहना?
Confrontation.
जरा मैं भी सुनना चाहूंगा।
Oh my god. The way that he's looking at him is so not encouraging.
कि मैं किरण से प्यार करता हूँ।
I love that he stood his ground.
बहुत प्यार करता हूँ।
Yeah.
जानता हूँ कि किरण भी मुझसे।
Okay. Oh my god, she slapped him. I thought I didn't see him slap him.
क्या तू इस लड़के से प्यार करती है?
नंदिनी,
सच सच बोल किरण।
Oh, she's a decent person.
तुझे मेरी कसम, अपने दिल से एक बार पूछकर मुझे बता, क्या तू करण से प्यार करती है किरण?
नंदिनी, तुम एक शादीशुदा लड़की से बात कर रही हो?
जी नहीं मेजर जनरल खन्ना, मैं एक ऐसी लड़की से बात कर रही हूँ जिसका पति मर चुका है।
So they know for sure? And they didn't tell her, but she doesn't look shocked.
गौर से देखिए इस लड़की को और सिर्फ एक बार उस किरण को मत देखिए जो आपके खानदान की
Wow,
बहू है।
I like her. Yeah, we need some cuteness after all that's happened.
जब छोटी छोटी बातों में हम हंसते थे, रोते थे, तब से तुमसे
Like I said, their stories run in parallel.
साथों में हम झूम झूम के गाते थे, सिर्फ तुमसे, तुम्हीं से प्यार किया।
Come on.
इतना प्यार करते हो।
Oh my god. Oh my god, girl, how can you be so
कब से?
clueless?
हमेशा से।
और आज तक कुछ कहा नहीं।
Did you have to? It was so obvious.
Idiot. Stupid.
Okay, let's not call him stupid.
मुझे अपनी बाहों में ले लो।
Because if anyone is to be called idiot, We know who it is. Yes, please, please. That's so gorgeous. This must be the rooftop. So beautiful. Okay, great, 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 great. I'm glad she changed. Aww. Aww. Sometimes pride can get into this as well, like, I won't be losing out to you, but it's just a possibility.
जानता हूं ये पहली बार नहीं है जब आप तीनों ने गुरुकुल का नियम तोड़ा है, और मैं ये भी जानता हूं कि आपको देखकर ही बाकियों ने ये कदम उठाया।
Oh, three of them. Yeah, I was wondering why not the third, but he was like hidden behind him.
आपने मेरे सामने कोई और रास्ता नहीं छोड़ा है, पर अपना फैसला सुनाने से पहले मैं आप तीनों से एक सवाल पूछना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि आपका जवाब आपके भविष्य का फैसला करेगा।
I bet they'll be honest no matter what.
अब तीनों ने ये कदम खुद अपनी मर्जी से उठाया या इसका जिम्मेदार कोई और है?
He's hoping that they would blame him, but not them. They will say the truth.
हमारे हर कदम के जिम्मेदार हम खुद हैं सर, और कोई नहीं।
ये आप तीनों का गुरुकुल में आखिरी दिन है। अपने बैग्स पैक करना।
I hope he won't be able to do that.
कल सुबह सबके सामने आपको निकाल दिया जाएगा।
I hope he's not thinking of admitting defeat and pulling away or withdrawing in exchange for him letting them stay. Oh, that's a beautiful picture. Oh no, 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 no.
आप जीत गए।
I knew it. That's not what I want.
लेकिन मेरी गलतियों की सजा आप उन्हें मत दीजिए, ऐसा मत कीजिए प्लीज।
You wouldn't let his pride get in the way of saving them.
मैं यहाँ इसलिए आया था
Oh,
कि फिर से कोई राजआर्य न बन जाए।
मैं चाहता हूं कि कल सुबह आप सारे स्टूडेंट्स के सामने आए और उनसे कहें कि आज तक आपने उन्हें जो कुछ कहा, उन्हें जो कुछ सिखाया, वो सब एक झूठ था,
oh no, he can't do that.
एक धोखा था।
That's so messed up.
और इतनी दूर चले जाएं कि चाहने पर भी आपको वापस आने का रास्ता न मिले।
पर जहां से मैं देख रहा हूं आप हार गए, क्योंकि जहां से मैं देख रहा हूं मुझे एक 55 साल का बाप एक 19 साल की बेटी की फूल चढ़ी तस्वीर के नीचे खड़ा दिख रहा है।
Yeah, argue with that.
आप तब भी हारे थे और आप आज भी हारे हैं। मैं वापस आया था उस बाप के लिए जिसकी बेटी से मैं मोहब्बत करता हूं, क्योंकि वो हमेशा कहा करती थी कि मेरे पापा बहुत प्यारे हैं, ऊपर से सख्त है लेकिन अंदर से बहुत नरम।
But he's yet to see it.
पता है मिस्टर शंकर, मेरे पास मेघा की कोई तस्वीर नहीं, जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी, क्योंकि जहां पर भी मोहब्बत होती मुझे वहां मेघा दिखती।
25 सालों से मुझे इस बात का बहुत गर्व रहा है कि मैंने इस संस्था को परंपरा प्रतिष्ठा और अनुशासन से चला है, पर आज आपके सामने खड़े हुए
Good.
मेरे गर्व नहीं।
That's a good start. I'm feeling encouraged.
वो हार गया है। जिद्दी बदनसीब इंसान है जो जिंदगी का मतलब ही नहीं समझ सका। क्योंकि वह हमेशा एक ही उसूल को मानता आया कि मोहब्बत और प्यार से दर्द बढ़ता है, और दर्द इंसान को कमजोर बनाता है। पर यही मानते मानते वो खुद इतना सख्त हो गया
He did.
कि प्यार करना ही भूल गया, कि जिंदगी प्यार देने और प्यार लेने का नाम है और कुछ
That's what matters, yeah.
नहीं। अब
Wow.
वक्त आ गया है कि मैं पीछे हट जाऊं
Better late than never.
और आप सबको वो
Yes.
इंसान दूं जिसने मुझे सिखाया कि इज्जत डर से नहीं, मोहब्बत से जीती जाती है। मिस्टर राज आर्यन,
Imagine him being the principal now, how the school will be.
मैं आपसे विनती करता हूं कि गुरुकुल की जिम्मेदारी को संभाल लीजिए और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को मोहब्बत और
Yes.
जिंदगी के मायने सिखा दीजिए।
Oh. She's gonna hold both their hands. Anticipating that, maybe? I think it's gonna happen. Yeah. I knew it. I'm glad that I'm right. Finally, yeah. You can feel her too. Oh. Oh, that's beautiful. That shot. And all of them in white. I guess it also symbolizes new beginnings, like the color of purity. White, blank page, new page. Some love stories live forever, they do. Oh wow. That's a beautiful line to end the movie with. Oh, that was Anupam Kher. I thought it was Jackie Shroff. He looked like him in this film. That's weird. Yeah, it never occurred to me, Anupam Kher. Now that I read his name, he does look like him. Very different, but it was him. Yeah, I loved it. Definitely, I love this film, and I'm glad that I finally got to watch it because I definitely heard of it before. And there were some things that, like most of the things, as you noticed while I was watching, I was able to predict them. But there were things that I was not expecting, especially regarding Ashwarya's character, Megha. Megha, I didn't expect her to be like deceased the whole film and only there in spirit or as a memory. That was sad, very sad, and beautiful at the same time, but like definitely sad. Definitely, Shah Rukh. I don't have to say it again, but I will. Is the most perfect casting for such a role. He definitely delivered with the romantic, like genuine portrayal of the character, and he was like his performance was grounded. Like there wasn't any just I think because the role was serious the whole time, and it was like getting into the 2000s, so it, like the 90s, or just like less grounded movies. And I think I'm not that expert of Bollywood movies, like in the different eras, but I'm just guessing, I'm speculating from what I saw. Definitely he had, and maybe because the character is somber, the character has that mixture, his character Raj has that mixture of like joy and not taking life so seriously, and but at the same time being serious without being grim. Even though he's still grieving, even though he went through what he went through, he can still celebrate love. He can still celebrate other people's joys and happiness and triumphs. Their scenes together, him and Ashwaya, were always so bittersweet. Definitely so many gorgeous scenes and shots and aesthetics. I love the, I don't know if it's like the production design or if it's any other department that takes care of this, but like the matching and synchronization of colors in fashion and in the sets and the background scenery and many different things were so noticeable and so beautiful and added so much beauty and like visual beauty to the experience of the film. And there were some moments that were like symbolic as well that I pointed out while watching. The songs were beautiful. I love the background music. The dialogue also, the dialogue caught my eye. So many uh, profound lines delivered and put in such a simple way, such simple words, but the effect was profound, which is not something that can easily be done. So kudos to them. I applaud them. Shah Rukh Khan's performance, especially, I think this is no, it's not something new. I've seen him do this before, even though I haven't seen all of his movies yet. He was acting with his eyes many of the times, which I love that. I love expressive eyes. I love actors who can act and convey complex emotions, like wide array of emotions, just with their eyes. Ashwarya, yeah, she was just like uh, that ethereal being that really radiated love. The journey of the three students growing both emotionally and intellectually, maturing is the word that I'm looking for. And them evolving into really taking in all the lessons that Raj was delivering to them and really connecting with him on such a deep level. And I really loved it. I hope that you enjoyed this reaction. I love the messaging of the film. And yeah, of course, Amitabh Bachchan's performance, still that like calm, confident, unhurried, solid performance. This is the second time I've seen him. I think this his role here is bigger than his role back in Kank. I can't compare it to his other roles and see if it's any different or if he's just like utilizing the same. I want to see like with other roles of his, does he adopt another kind of acting? But with him, it's too early for me to deduce, and the same for Ashwarya. Yeah, I love the film so much. I enjoyed it. I can understand why it's loved by so many people. I sincerely hope that you enjoyed this reaction with me and that you will join me for the next reaction. Do let me know what are your memories, because I'm sure that many of you are nostalgic about this film and they watched it for the first time like maybe many years ago. And of course it's different, like no matter there are things I'm sure that I wasn't able to pick up on or like even notice that it's a reference and what is it for, while for someone that is Indian will be able to recognize that and understand. So if I missed things like these, I'd be so thankful if you let me know in the comments, because I really enjoy knowing trivia and tidbits and things that otherwise I would not be able to understand or recognize. The more that I'm educated about your culture, your folklore, etc., the more I'll be able to like understand more and enjoy and appreciate more when I watch future movies. So thank you so much for doing that. I always appreciate your comments and enjoy them so much. So do let me know in the comments what was your reaction when you first saw Mohabbatein. What are the things that you liked, and what is your favorite scene? You already know mine. And do let me know what other iconic movie with Bollywood history that I must for sure get to watching. Okay, Until then, and until I meet you again in another reaction. Before that, stop. We are forgetting something, aren't we? Don't forget to like, share the video, subscribe if you haven't already, so that you can be one of the OGs of the members of this wonderful family. Needless to say, I'm always so grateful for your support, my love. Until we meet again, until I see you in the next reaction, stay safe, take care, and much love to you all.